Hello and welcome to my channel. I garden in Zone 6A in Windsor, Nova Scotia. Today I'm going to be taking out my Canna Lilies that I saved from last year. I overwintered them. I've never done it before. And I'm going to soak them in some water for maybe a day to rehydrate them because they're very dry. And I've never done this before, so let's hope that they survive. So I'm just going to fill the pail up with some water and put them in. I think I have 6. That's a big one. Well, here I am. The next day, I'm going to take these out of the water and let them drain a bit. I think what I'm going to do is clean them up a bit and cut off all the old roots. Last year I had some that just didn't seem to get big, and what I noticed, which one was it? This one, it didn't even root out. I had bought these for my daughter's wedding, and I thought they'd be big, I thought they'd be beautiful. Well, they turned out to be this tall and not very beautiful. So I'm going to give them one more year. But I think they got root bound in their little plant pots. And this year, hopefully, I can get them so they're not root bound. And they can grow big and beautiful. I'm just taking my clippers and so this one is called Cannova Bronze Scarlet. And I'll put a picture up when I do the video here. Now I did look this up, and I think you're supposed to cut all this off. There's one. I'm going to get more paper towel. And this one is Cannova Rose. And I think this one got pot bound too. But it's weird because I got them first thing in the spring and I put them in the ground, and the ground where they're planted is really well, the soil is really good. But anyways, hopefully this year's a better year. And it's such a little root, but it has a growth. Oh, and there's another growth. Okay. There, and that one has that tag. Yeah, you see they're all kind of, they've twisted their roots around. I can get 2 out of that one. Good. Oh, these don't want to cut because they're so wet. Okay, I think that's good. And you can still see the shape of the pot that it came in. Oh, there's another one. I'm just gonna cut these off. Look at that. See? See that? That's the root that was in the little pot. Now I paid $7 or $8 for one of these. And I was really disappointed. So I'm hoping that this year, me just cutting back the roots and getting them into the ground, and I will make sure that they're not root bound. But this one grew pretty well. Like, it grew like this and this. Put on a lot of growth, except the roots were all winding around. Okay, and I can pull this one apart too. So last fall I dug them up and I washed the roots off as best as I could. And then I wrapped them up, like I let them dry for about 2 days, and then I wrapped them up in old newspapers, and they dried really well. I was shocked. All right, and this one is called Cannova Rose. All right, get this out of the way. So we've got some pots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9. That's pretty good. Let's see if this one will fit. No. I wonder. Oh, I'm gonna do it. I broke it. And I think I'm going to cut this one off right here. And it looks healthy. Maybe I'll plant this one on its own too. I don't know. Probably won't do anything, but we'll give it a go. Okay. I'm just going to pot them all up. And some vermiculite to help keep the moisture in. Okay, let's get rid of this. I can't believe I got this many from 6 bulbs that I bought last year. Oh, I'm excited. And hopefully they all grow. Ah! Good thing I have to vacuum today. Maybe I'll just do it like this. There. Oh. There we go. Now, the next step is I'm going to put them in this big tote so they're easier to carry around, and I'm going to water them from the bottom. Maybe I'll do this up here. And they will stay in this tote to harden off. When it's time to go outside, they can sit in it for a while until I'm ready to plant them. And it just makes it easier for me to carry them, and I probably won't even fit them all in here. But I have another tote that I can use. Okay. They don't look like much right now, but they should start growing. That's about how much water I put in, and I will watch and see how fast they suck that up, and then I will add more if they need it. Side note, we laid some of our marble flooring on the weekend. We're just going to wait till we get the grout in, and I just love the look of real stone up against my wall. I'm keeping them out in my front room. It's a little cooler out here, and they've got a little bit of light, but they don't need light right now. They just need some warmth. I wish I had a potting shed. Look at all this mess. Well, thanks for watching along today. I will update you to let you know how it worked. I'm hoping it works. I'll be excited to see them coming up in the garden. Anyways, have a nice day. Bye.